if you want to learn about Ethereum blockchain, then this website is going to be gold for you. Okay, ethereum.org. Come to this website, and here you will find everything about Ethereum blockchain, that what is Ethereum, what is Ether, smart contract, Ether scan, Ethereum security and scam protections, history of Ethereum, Ethereum white paper, Ethereum upgrades. So they have explained everything, and the best part is that they have divided their entire course. They already have a course for the developer, those who want to learn about Ethereums, and they have labeled it in 3 categories. So medium, beginner, intermediate and advanced. So you can follow that in that way as well. So here I'm here I'm on the ethereum.org website, and let me show you what they have for all of us. So let's go to this tutorial section, and here is the place which can teach you everything about Ethereum blockchains. It will teach you that how you can build your smart contract, how to build a project, everything is mentioned here. Okay, so if you want to learn about any specific things, like if you want to learn about DeFi, hard hat, or all the technology which they use for Ethereum blockchain, that's all listed here. So for example, I want to know that how should I connect my front-end application to MetaMask, so I can click here for MetaMask. I want to know about hard hat, so I can go to this hard hat. I want to learn about the JavaScript engine in Solidity program, so I can come here and I can go here. If I want to learn about the gas, Ether, factories, ERC20, so they have everything here. So this is the place is going to be the heaven for you if you want to be a smart contract or Ethereum developer. So what I will do, I'll come here and I will simply click on this hard hat. Okay, if you don't click that, so let me refresh it. If you don't click that, then you will get the latest answer. So if you don't click that, you will get the latest updates which the Ethereum communities are uploading right up here, and you can scroll and you can easily able to find everything. So as you can see, this project is for the intermediates and this one is for the beginner. Okay, learn blockchain solidity and full web development with JavaScripts. So here what are the topics they are going to cover in that course. They will provide you the source code, they will provide you the guidance, they will provide you the technology, and they have a brief tutorial for each of the topic which they're going to cover. As you can see, they have a solidity. So in this full stack web development course, they're going to cover these many things. So we have to write Solidity smart contract, we have to use hard hat for deployment and testing our smart contract, we need Ether.js to make our smart contract to communicate with our front-end application so we can do the transaction, we have to write the good smart contract, we need React for building the React framework, we can use Next.js, blockchains, video, IPFS, where we're going to upload our images, all the files or NFTs. We can use oracles, NFT, ERC20, upgrade, JavaScript, mocking. So these many things they have, so they will explain you everything about it. So let's come down, and here you will find about the EVM engine of Ethereum, so you can read about it. So they have everything here. If I start explaining about this video will go very long, because this is the complete resource you have right this moment. So this is going to be the resource for you to learn Ethereum, about Ethereum and its development. So come here, visit this website and read everything about it. Here they have given you the source code, everything and all. So if I click here, if I want to know this project, if I simply click on this, it will redirect me to the YouTube video. Okay, so it will redirect to me this YouTube video, and this is the person who's going to teach me everything about the technology and the contract we're going to build here. Let me comment out this. As you can see, this channel is very popular, free code camp, and here you can easily able to find like the timestamp, and you can easily able to visit the GitHub repository where you're going to find all the source code of this entire project, and you can download it and you can follow step by step, and you can check the code for reference. So I just recommend you to follow. If you think that these all things are known to you, just simply download the source code, go through the source code, because the actual learning you will have when you will look at other people's code, how they have written the same functionality, and compare your with their. Okay, so this is the only source you're going to have which is very complete, and they have explained everything. So just come and click any one of these which you want to learn and explore, and we will find everything about it. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you really want to become an Ethereum blockchain developer, then must follow this entire structure. And if you find any good course, you can pick that. I'm already building a course on Solidity, so I have a complete playlist of that, so I will link that in the I button in the description, so you can follow that. And I have also built a couple of projects on Solidity smart contract, like NFT marketplace and like how to connect MetaMask. So these are the small project I have built, so I will link that as well in the description, so you can follow that and watch, and where I've explained everything about it. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions or any doubt, leave in the comment section. I would love to help you in that. For the time being, that's it. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.